When I first connected with iDesigns and I got the brochures and the fabrics and that was overwhelming for me, but again, for somebody who likes design, that would be really exciting and fun. So the first time I went up there, I was very impressed with the operation. It was a huge operation then, and the last time I went up there, just a couple of weeks ago, it was unbelievable. The people at iDesigns were tremendous. Of course, they handhold you from the beginning to the end. It's just, there's someone who knows the industry, so they're able to give you advice that maybe a general decorator wouldn't. And putting those two things together, we really got an out-of-the-box feel and look in a good way. Of course, one of the things I strongly recommend is going to the showroom. You almost have to, because when you have to touch and feel and what you're doing. I'm not the best at making decisions. I definitely don't have the kind of mind that decorates well or even cares about that. I know it's important, but I don't have an eye for that. iDesigns has services outside of just design. They help with space planning as well, and space planning it encompasses a lot more than you would think. Your space where you're selling things has to have certain attributes that make your opticians more likely to sell and have an easier time selling. And then the medical side has to have a good flow so that you can efficiently run patients through and have them end up in the optical where they can have an opportunity to buy. So iDesigns helps set things up so that that flow works both for the retail and the medical side as well. The experience of working with iDesigns was soup to nuts wonderful. They take you on a tour of the operation, which is unbelievable. I can't even express how important it is to see the factory and learn a little bit about what goes into what you're purchasing. I'd never been in a factory like that. Everything was set up there for the ease of decision making and evaluating options as well. So it was a wonderful experience, and when I had a question, it was answered to my satisfaction, and when I wasn't sure, there were multiple people who could help me make the decision by asking me just the right questions. So if you're looking at expanding your practice or changing it up for whatever reason, modernizing it, and you're on the fence, I can tell you 3 times that we've done this, we've increased our profits way more than what I invested in doing it in the short term. Double-digit growth is something that's going to happen. I don't even understand how it works, but it happens, and I've seen it consistently over time, and I was told that that would work. So it's probably one of the best investments you can make in your practice. As long as you already have modernized medical equipment, the next thing you want to think about is driving profits by beautifying your optical and increasing your efficiency through flow and design and things like that. I can't think of a better investment if you're looking to grow your profits than that.